Hello guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm going to be doing a video showing you on my action figure unboxing and review of G.I. Joe Classified Series Shipwreck. Yep, I got this at Target for our price is $26.99. Excuse me. On top it says 4 plus. Plastic free packaging except tape and glue. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. And it's released by Hasbro logo on there. Excellent figure, isn't it? So here's the front, here's the side, other side. You can see the number 70 on there. The top, the bottom says plastic free packaging except tape and glue again. Made in China. And of course the back. 6.3 inch, 160 millimeter. Shipwreck comes with the accessories, which includes the interchangeable hair, the 2 pistols, a grip hook, the rope, and his pet parrot Polly on there. This is English warning, small parts. Parents and G.I. Joe and Hasbro all related trademarks and logos are trademarks of Hasbro Inc. This is copyright 2023 Hasbro. GIJoe.com. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. So here goes nothing. Okay, so here's the front and then the back of this figure. Okay, head swivel side to side, hinge will go up and downward, arms will go forwards, backwards movements. Got bicep swivel, double jointed pins, elbows, vertical hinge will go up and downward, wrist side to side. We have an ab crunch, waist twist, nuts will go forwards, backwards movement, drop down, legs, boot swivel, side to side, thigh swivel, side to side, double jointed pins, knees, ankles will go up and downward, and it does have ankle rockers. See? Yep. Use this with the grip hook on the belt, or perhaps a rope. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You can use the grip hook in your hand could put the rope on its back, above its body. Placing the hairs just like this, or you can put it back. Use hat. Okay, you can choose either 2 gun pistols in both hands, just like so, or you can use this with the pistols on the belt. Lastly, you can use this with his pet parrot, Polly. Just like this. There we go. Okay, guys. Well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let us know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye.